Starting a YouTube channel in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or looking to revamp your strategy, this video is your ultimate guide. So, welcome to my channel Cashcraft, and today I'm sharing the exact steps I'd follow if I was starting a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. Think of it as your blueprint to success in the competitive world of content creation. From creating videos that actually get views to building systems that save you time, I've got you covered. If you're wondering how to stand out, grow fast, and make money on YouTube in 2025, stay tuned because this is the video you've been waiting for. But before we dive in, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, let's jump into it. Here's exactly what I'd do if I was starting a YouTube channel in 2025. How to start a successful YouTube channel from scratch in 2025. If you can master these key steps, your YouTube channel could skyrocket, paving the way to massive growth and even financial freedom. In this video, I'm sharing my YouTube experience and breaking it down into a simple 3-part framework. If I was starting a YouTube channel completely from scratch today, this is exactly what I'd do. I call this the part-time YouTuber blueprint. Over the last 3 years, this system has helped more than 2,300 students achieve YouTube success. This framework has 3 levels. Whether you're in the US or the UK, it works for anyone starting with zero experience. Let's dive in. Level 1. Get going. Starting out, your first priority is to simply start. Think of this as going on your first 3 dates. You're just testing the waters, getting a feel for things, and seeing if creating content clicks for you. For your first 3 videos, don't overthink it. Record with your phone if you need to. Skip heavy editing. Focus on speaking to the camera and uploading. Use free tools like Canva to create simple channel art. The biggest hurdle for new creators is overthinking. What should my niche be? Why would anyone watch me? What if people judge me? Here's the truth. YouTube is a lifestyle choice. If you're serious, you'll be creating content weekly for years to come. These first 3 videos are your way of flirting with the process. By the end of this stage, you'll know whether you want to casually dabble in YouTube or commit to it seriously. If you decide to commit, it's time to move on to get good. Enough, now that you've started, it's time to level up. The next 7 videos in your journey are all about improving your craft. Focus areas for these videos: filming techniques, even with basic equipment. Talking confidently to the camera. Structuring your content for better storytelling. Experimenting with basic video editing, e.g., Final Cut, iMovie, or free tools like DaVinci Resolve. At this stage, don't worry about your niche. The goal is to practice and improve. Make videos about whatever excites you. Love stationery. Review your favorite pastel highlighters. Obsessed with gadgets. Talk about your favorite phone case. Read an amazing book. Share your thoughts. Each video teaches you valuable skills, like creating better thumbnails, improving video titles, and speaking naturally on camera. Level 2, the 10 video rule. By the time you've created 10 videos, 3 from level 1 and 7 from level 2, you'll understand the basics of video creation. Have confronted fears like judgment or self-doubt. Discovered what aspects of YouTube excite you the most. Why this blueprint works. This system is built for 2025, where short-form content like YouTube Shorts and evergreen videos dominate. By starting simple and focusing on improvement, you're setting the foundation for long-term growth. Right finger, will you treat YouTube as a hobby or as a business? In this video, I'll guide you through the step where you transition from experimenting to building a sustainable strategy. Hobby versus business, the ultimate choice. Where do you see yourself on the hobby to business spectrum? Hobby, 0, casual uploads when inspiration strikes. Business, 10, a structured, professional approach to building a channel. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel and turning it into a business, you need to treat it like one. To truly scale your channel, you must understand the YouTube game. While creating content you enjoy is a good starting point, growing a life-changing YouTube channel requires mastering the 3 core elements of success: the click, thumbnails and titles, watch time, keeping viewers engaged, satisfaction, building viewer trust. 1. Earn the click. Your titles, thumbnails, and ideas determine whether someone even clicks on your video. Without a click, the rest doesn't matter. Use actionable keywords like how to, top tips, or must watch. Tap into curiosity with phrases like you won't believe, game-changing, or ultimate guide. Pro tip: tools like Canva or Photoshop can help you create high-quality thumbnails. 2. Watch time matters. The YouTube algorithm prioritizes videos that keep people watching. Focus on these strategies. Hook your audience in the first 10 seconds. Use storytelling to keep them engaged. Cut out fluff and keep your pacing tight. 3. Build viewer satisfaction. YouTube now uses metrics like likes, comments, and even surveys to gauge viewer satisfaction. Keep these tips in mind. Encourage likes and comments early in the video. Ask viewers for feedback or suggestions to boost engagement. Make sure your content leaves them feeling inspired, informed, or entertained. Level 3. Finding your niche. The strategy for long-term growth. Once you've nailed the basics, it's time to focus on your niche. A successful niche has two key components: target audience, who are you creating for? Value proposition, what value are you providing? Here's how to find your niche. List your interests, strengths, and unique advantages. Identify a group of people you can serve with your content. Hypothesize about your niche, then test it. Stand out in a crowded market. Most niches today are highly competitive, from productivity to personal development. To succeed, you need market understanding. Analyze the competition in your niche. Your edge. Highlight what makes you different, your unique story, style, or skills. How to treat YouTube like a business. The ultimate blueprint for 2025. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, you need to start thinking like a business owner. The same principle applies to YouTube. You can't just upload videos randomly and hope for success. You need to analyze the market, identify your edge, build systems for success. Let's break it down. Step 1. Analyze the market. What's the competition like? Look at other creators in your niche and their content strategies. Who is your audience? Understand their demographics, interests, and what problems you can solve for them. What gaps exist? Find opportunities where you can add value. Step 2. Identify your competitive edge. Unique perspective. Are you addressing a niche as someone from a unique background? For example, a male voice in a female-dominated industry or vice versa. Authenticity. Let your personality shine. Relatability often trumps perfection. Production style. Focus on what you excel at, whether it's storytelling, in-depth research, or dynamic editing. Light bulb pro tip. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to discover trending topics and find your unique angle. Step 3. Build systems for long-term success. Batch creating content. Film multiple videos in one session to save time. Using templates. Create reusable templates for thumbnails, video outlines, and editing workflows. Outsourcing tasks. Delegate repetitive tasks like editing or captioning if your budget allows. These strategies allow you to create high-quality content in just 5 to 10 hours per week. Final thoughts to wrap up. Success on YouTube requires the same mindset as starting any business. You need a clear understanding of your market, a way to stand out and connect with your audience, systems that allow you to create valuable content efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more actionable tips. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.